liquid discharge plant, what we call as ZLD. We have a big setup for rain harvesting, and we are making sure that the water from our treatment plant gets used within the plant only. And in shops also we are taking many initiatives to conserve power, like using LED lights, all energy efficient drives, making sure that our comfort cooling etc. also runs in a very optimum manner. We have invested heavily along with our partner in solar energy, and we have 2 units from where we are getting power. One is in Saharanpur and the other one is in Babina. We are roughly at about 40% of carbon neutrality. Our target is to become 50% by year 2030. So working on sustainable manufacturing is not only good for environment, it is also good for business. Shriram Pistons is saving about 10 million rupees per month on account of this, and we hope that our saving will continue to become more and more in future. Working with fourth partner has been a very good experience for us. They have a very vibrant team, a young team. They have a lot of customer centricity. I think overall they have a very good business model. So it's a very mutually beneficial contract that we have with them, and I wish them success, and I hope that our association will grow further in future, and this will expand to other plants that we have.